Up, thumbs down to see who thinks it should be the B and who thinks it should be the M. When you guys are all done, just look up here at me. Does everybody have their answer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Who thinks it should be the M? We're going to do thumbs up, thumbs down right in front of our chest. So when we're graphing a linear equation, what should we begin with, the M or the B? Thumbs up, thumbs down on the M. Okay, thumbs up, thumbs down on the B. Good job. It looks like everybody's getting this, so we're going to circle the B for begin. If only I cracked this when I was in school, would have made things a lot easier for me. I had to walk around remembering y equals mx plus b, m is slope, b is the y-intercept. We didn't have the move and the begin. All right, now we're going to work on our guided practice problems. I'm going to walk around and help everyone. I'm going to put these up on the overhead, and when we're done, I'm going to have 2 volunteers come up here and help me by showing what answers they came up with. So I'll hand those out to you guys. There's 4 problems on here. We have those and those. And I'm going to work mine out right here while you guys are doing those. And if anybody has any questions, raise your hand and I'll come around and help you. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Good. Katie, do you think you're done with problem number 1? Maybe you can come up and help us?
Sure.
Okay. And I'll need 1 more volunteer when Katie's done. Go ahead and bring your paper up and then we can work on it together if you're stuck on something. So first we're going to put what the M is, the slope, which is also the move. And then we're going to put the B, which is begin. Okay. All right, so now point to the graph where we're going to begin, Katie. Now we always begin at 0, 0, but where would we begin on when we have B is 2? Where is that going to be on the y-axis?
2.
Okay. Go ahead and put your point there. Okay, and do you know how to do a slope that's just it's not a fraction, or it doesn't look like a fraction at first?
No.
Okay. -5, is that the same as -5 over 1? You want to write -5 over 1, and then we can see what that looks like? That might help us with our rise over our run. Okay, so in the morning, do you rise first, or do you run first?
You rise.
Okay, so let's go ahead and rise -5 spaces. So do you think you're going to go up or down on that?
Down.
Yeah, good job. And we're going to start at our begin point.
Do I go down from there?
Yeah, you go down, that's your begin point, is your B.
Okay.
And maybe that would help if we write B next to it when we're graphing to remind ourselves. Yeah, but we're not going to make that a point yet because we still have to run 1 space. But that's okay. We know what we did. Just go ahead and make it in the right spot and then we'll make our line. Okay. And here, I'll help you do the line. How many points does it take to make a line? 2. All right. So now, does everybody understand when we have a whole number, we're going to do -5 over 1. We would put the whole number over 1 so we have a rise over run?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The rest of the problems we're going to work on in class, and if we don't get them done, then we'll take them home as homework. Thanks.